morning, everybody. Today is October 7th, 2022, Friday. Happy Friday. So today we'll talk about the stock market and what to buy. So what we see right now is that Dow Jones, NASDAQ are down 400 points, 300 points. So basically we have another major sell-off, which you should treat as a buying opportunity with great discounts. The reason for the sell-off is that the unemployment numbers are dropping. So only 3.5% are unemployed now, and the economy produced like 230,000 new jobs last month. So the interesting thing is that why would the stock market be down when more people are actually getting jobs and kind of powering this economy? Why would the stocks go down? Well, the simple explanation is the more people are working, the more expenses the business takes. Ideally, in a capitalistic society, what would be great if you had a company that generates billions of dollars in profits and has like one employee doing it. But if, for example, the same company employs 100,000 people, then suddenly this is not such a valuable company anymore, because besides generating a lot in revenue, they also generate a lot in expenses. And how much is left to the shareholders? Not that much. So if we had bad number of new jobs, then the stock market would actually go up, because the companies apparently are not spending a lot of money on salaries and benefits and all other expenses. So, but it is what it is. So what happens is that we have a lot of great companies that are suddenly selling at a discount. So the first one that you should consider is CVS. By the way, all these companies I'm bringing from inside of my app, and here you could actually see the charts. Let me see. These are the charts, and you could see how these companies are trading at a discount. But let me just talk about them. So the first company you should consider buying, and also the one that's trading at a great discount, almost 10%, is CVS Health. It's the company that you know by CVS pharmacies, for example, where people get the drugs and medications and supplies. So they have some warning about revenue or whatever, but nevertheless, it's a great company with $116 billion in market capitalization. So it's pretty much a whale. And they also own, I think they also own like Aetna insurance company, health insurance company. So they're in that business too. And the fact that, they're sliding today and trading at $88, it's actually a buying opportunity and a great discount. So if I were you, I would consider buying it. The second company is AMD. That's the one that Advanced Micro Devices. It's down also almost 10% today. It's trading at $61. Just a few days ago it was trading at 75, and I was thinking about buying it, but I haven't bought it, so I bought it actually today. But what this company does is they're a competitor of Intel. They're making the CPU, basically the chips for personal computers. And they're saying the demand is kind of like not as good as it was before. So that's why they're warning that the sales might not be so great. However, However, I have a different opinion, because what happens is that didn't we just have great new employment numbers? So what do you think this all employees will use at their work? Personal calculators? No, they will be using computers. So in light of great, job report, I think AMD is gonna, rise and shine. And if I were you, I would consider buying it, especially at such a great discount. And another company that kind of in the same segment is NVIDIA. It's the one that makes also computer chips, but more famous for their video cards. Same story. I mean, they're saying that demand for computers is dropping, and that's why their sales might not be as good. Well, the other thing is that they're powering a lot of Bitcoin mining operations, and if Bitcoin is sliding, then it's not as profitable to mine cryptocurrencies. So this is why people are not buying those video cards when they were like in such a huge demand, when Bitcoin was trading at $60,000 per coin, which was crazy anyway. But so NVIDIA is trading $124. So the main thing is that if you want to find out what other stocks to buy, consider downloading my app by going to this very simple website, 2stx.com. And if you go to this website, it will take you to Apple, Android, and Amazon app stores, where you could download my app. It's called Stock Rank, that covers 7,500 stocks, and it will tell you which stocks to buy right now. It updates every day, so you will always have fresh investment ideas available to you. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye now.